Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you could head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. A lot of industries took a hit during 2020 health crisis. Some were more obvious than the others. Because of quarantine orders, stores were shuttered, and the need for billboards and other out-of-home and digital platforms evaporated. Since then, though, the demand for billboards, transit, and mobile asset has come roaring back. And it's time for investors to put overlooked Outfront Media Inc., traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol OUT, back on their radar. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Yeah, Outfront Media Inc. is a specialty real estate investment trust, or REIT, that provides advertising space or displays on out-of-the-home advertising structures and sites in the United States. Its out-of-the-home advertising campaigns effectively changes the way advertisers engage with on-the-go audiences. The company's inventory consists of LED and 3D billboards, traditional print billboards, digital street furniture, transit advertising, massive canvas ads like you see on the side of buildings, especially placed media such as airports, walls, kiosks, subways, and parking garages, etc., and also mobile campaigns that target specific locations and brand stores.
Let's talk numbers. How did this company do in the first quarter?
It was a solid first quarter, with the revenue inching up 3.2% year over year to $408.5 million. First quarter net loss actually improved a little bit to $27.2 million, or a loss of 18 cents per share. And all important funds from operations increased 30% to $22.3 million, while adjusted funds from operations jumped 164% to $165.4 million. Operating income was up 37% at $14 million, while adjusted operating income before depreciation amortization, which is a metric that shows profitability in a company's core business, was up an impressive 10.5% at $66.5 million.
And how has this impacted its dividends?
Well, suffice it to say, the 2020 health crisis was not kind to many companies, nor their dividends. Outfront Media was no different. It suspended its 38 cents per share quarterly dividend at the start of 2020 and reinstated it in the back half of 2021 at just 10 cents per share. It tripled the payout in early 2022 to 30 cents per share and has actually maintained the payout since then. This works out to an annual dividend of $1.20 per share, and at current prices, this works out to a pretty frothy, ultra-high yield dividend of 8.3%.
Finally, if you could elaborate a little bit on how is OUT stock doing recently?
Quite well, actually, for the most part. Outfront Media stock has been performing well since early October 2023, advancing more than 80%. That investor enthusiasm comes on the heels of solid financial results, moderating inflation, robust consumer spending, the fact the U.S. has actually avoided a recession, and eventual interest rate cuts. Even with the big gains since October 2023, though, the outlook for OUT stock remains pretty solid, with Wall Street analysts providing a 12-month share price average forecast of $14.75 per share, with a high estimate of $18 per share. Now, why the bullish take? Management actually hasn't provided any guidance, but analysts expect the company's earnings to rebound from a loss of $2.66 per share in 2023 to earnings of 65 cents per share in 2024 and climbing to 80 cents per share in 2025.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Just to recap, Outfront Media is a specialty REIT that operates billboards and mobile advertising campaigns across the U.S. While its operation took a hit during the 2020 health crisis, its sales are projected to top pandemic levels this year. In 2019, it reported revenues of $1.7 billion, with analysts looking for Outfront to report 2024 revenue of $1.86 billion, increasing to $1.91 billion in 2025. All of this should help energize its earnings, share price, and potentially its dividend payout too. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks you own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.